Hey guys, I'm going to explain to you guys really quick why I took this long position on Google. So if we go back, we can see I've spoke about this area so many times, but we can see this 166 area on Google. So we see this area right here, right here. This was a nice support for us in the past. We slightly broke below it, but those buyers came in, stepped right back up, found that support, and started pushing us higher. Once we lost that demand zone right there, this 166 area then became a struggle for us to get above. So now when we go to the trading action for today, we can see what Google did at that 166 area. So this is a 5-minute chart, and we can see right there, once we touch that 166 area, those buyers came in aggressively, which is what we like to see, but we did not see that retracement right away. So we missed that first trade to the upside over here. Now we came and we retested this area. We broke below, which normally would tell us there's some weakness in those buyers. But then when we see something like this usually has traders taking the wrong side of the market. They see that breakdown going lower and they usually start shorting because they're like, hey, we missed this, this break lower, or we missed this support hold. But actually, sometimes this is just a liquidity sweep. The bigger markets, the big money traders, they know a lot of retail is going to go short right here as this breaks lower. So we do not take this to the short side. Rather, we wait to see what happens when this thing retraces. Does it retrace, test this area, and then start to go lower? That would confirm that, there's weakness here. But we see the opposite here. We see Google, it went lower, it grabbed that liquidity and those stop orders, and then it starts to come higher. And then we see that consolidation over here, which is kind of what we like. And that is where I took this long position in these areas right here. So what is the game plan? Because we have to have a game plan for the short side as well. So the game plan for something like this is we can go long here. So we can have a long position here. And if we want, we can target these highs. So we have the highs right here. We can target these highs. And our stop loss would be something like this. Our stop loss could be even something as small as this or something like this. So if we start breaking lower now, then we would see, maybe there's weakness. Those buyers are not stepping up. So we like something like this. And you can even let a contract run. If this thing does come to that higher level, you can even let a couple contracts run to that next supply level, which is all the way up there at 170. So I like this area for Google. I'm going to be holding this area. Even if this trade doesn't, pan out today, this could be a swing trade, which is why I took contracts that were 2 to 3 weeks out. And then if we look at the overall market, we can see when we go on market sentiment here, we can see that the overall market is pretty strong as well. We can see ES is making higher highs and higher lows. Same thing with NQ making higher highs. We found this support right here. So the overall market is bullish and Google is pretty bullish this morning as well. So that is something that I like. What I'm hoping for is this thing can touch the highs sometime later today so I can, reduce my position, but I'm willing to swing trade this if we do not break lower than that 165.90 zone. All right, guys. So let me know if you have any questions.